Hey guys, so for this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable Gemini here in Google Sheets. So over here at the top right, you'll actually see this star icon that says Try Gemini. So just click on it, then click on Try It Out. And if you don't know, Gemini is actually not free, so you need to have a subscription. So if you don't have a subscription yet, you want to go ahead and subscribe to Google AI Pro, or you can also get a 1-month free trial in order for you to get an access in Gemini. So after you've subscribed, you can just go ahead and use Gemini in Google Sheets by clicking on the star icon again, and then you can just go ahead and write your prompt here, whatever you want Gemini to do for you. Or you can also try to put in equal symbol at yourself, and you will see that there are options now to use the AI function or use Gemini here. So that's it. Thanks for watching.